Tamarind is a tropical tree that is believed to originate in Africa and now grows in many tropical regions around the world. The tree produces brown pods filled with seeds, surrounded by a fibrous and sticky pulp. As it ripens, the green and sour pulp develops a sweet and sour flavor. The pods are more easily opened when the fruit is fully ripe as they become more brittle. It adds a tangy and sharp taste to entrees, from pad thai to chutneys, desserts, beverages, and sauces. It's also one of the ingredients of Worcestershire sauce. Tamarind has played an important role in traditional medicine, including the pulp, seeds, and leaves. In today's video, I'll share 7 benefits of tamarind, the side effects and contraindications. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It's a nutrient-dense food. Tamarind contains many beneficial micronutrients, making it a nutritious and valuable addition to your diet. It is an excellent source of vitamins B1, B2 and B3, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, iron and phosphorus. While 1 cup of the pulp has 75 grams of carbohydrates, it is regarded as a low glycemic fruit, hence it doesn't cause blood sugar spikes. Tamarind in its pure form doesn't contain added sugars, so always check the label for other ingredients if you're buying the extract. However, bear in mind that the pulp is relatively high in calories compared to other fruits, which may be a problem for those trying to control calorie intake. 2. It fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of non-infectious diseases in the world. Tamarind contains polyphenols that help control inflammation in the body. When used in the form of essential oils, it is packed full of anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce pain in the joints, arthritis pain, gout, and even rheumatoid conditions. It can also reduce irritation and infections in the eyes, such as conjunctivitis or pink eye. 3. It relieves constipation and stomachache. Tamarind fruit and water aid the digestive system for 2 reasons. The first is that they exhibit laxative effects due to high quantities of malic acid, tartaric acid and potassium, which stimulates bowel movement and excretion. Secondly, because tamarind has high fiber content, it helps bulk up the stool, thus relieving constipation. Tamarind water can also protect the stomach lining and prevent ulcers and inflammations from taking place. As a result of a healthy and regular digestion, your stomach and other organs do not need to secrete excessive amounts of acids and bile to break down the food. In the case of diarrhea, it is suggested to use tamarind leaves in infusions. 4. It promotes heart health. The pulp is very rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which are excellent for controlling HDL and LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides in the blood. It was found to reduce diastolic blood pressure. Studies have demonstrated its potential to lower the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the process of thickening and hardening of the artery walls as a result of plaque buildup. The fruit extract can lessen the severity of atherosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases too. 5. It can help prevent malaria and microbial infections. Tamarind has been used to control fever in traditional medicine. African tribes in Ghana use the leaves of tamarind to treat malaria. In fact, various parts of the plant have been used for managing malaria symptoms. Similar fevers caused by other bacterial infections can also be managed with tamarind extracts, again thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Tamarind fruit and extract have shown significant antimicrobial effects against infections including Salmonella and Staphylococcus. 6. It can boost sexual arousal and fertility. In India and Africa, tamarind is used as an aphrodisiac. Studies have examined the reproductive and aphrodisiac potential of tamarind water extract in Worcester rats. When compared to standard drug, results showed a significant improvement in parameters of sexual desire. It was also observed a significant increase in sperm count and mobility without any sign of toxicity in the treatment groups. 7. Tamarind benefits in pregnancy. When consumed in moderation, there are several benefits to eating tamarind during pregnancy. According to experts, tamarind is considered healthy for mothers and their unborn baby. It's a nutrient-dense food, thus helping boost the immune system, and women tend to lean toward this fruit during pregnancy because of its tangy and sweet taste. Tamarind is rich in niacin, which provides about 10% of the daily requirement for pregnant women that helps in the development of nerves, brain, and digestive system of the fetus. Because tamarind is a rich source of iron, it balances the increased volume of blood that reduces chances of premature birth as well as low birth weight of the baby. Consuming tamarind during the first trimester helps reducing nausea and vomiting that comes with morning sickness. The laxative effect of tamarind on the stomach helps control such symptoms, as well as constipation, which is a problem many women experience. Contraindications and side effects. Tamarind is generally considered to be safe and non-toxic. This fruit is essentially a blood thinner and may lower blood pressure. While this can be greatly beneficial for your heart health, it might not be recommended if you're already taking any medication to thin your blood. Also, if you're on antihypertensive or anti-diabetic medication, always consult with your doctor before adding tamarind to your diet. To reiterate, experts believe it is healthy to eat tamarind during pregnancy, but only in moderation. It is important for pregnant women to consume tamarind under medical guidance. Tamarind extract has low toxicity and is safe up to an oral dose of 2000 mg per kilo. However, because tamarind pulp can have a laxative effect, excessive amounts are more likely to cause issues and should be consumed in moderation. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.